What is it?
Daddy will have to show you.
I can't get out. Oh, what is that?
It's an accordion. Put one hand here and unsnap it right there, and unsnap it right there. And put my thumb right here.
Oh.
Ready?
I want to do it. I want to do it.
It's very hard to do. Put your thumb in there. Okay, put your hand in here. Like that.
That's pretty cool. You're making some music. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's it.
Can you say accordion?
Accordion.
All right. Can you say thank you, great grandma and grandpa?
Thank you, great grandma and grandpa.
All right.
What's this?
Oh, you got one more present over there.
Yeah.